What is up, you guys? This is me recording another video of me getting some hair that I purchased, but hopefully I post this one because I'm good for making videos and never even posting them, but hopefully we're gonna post this one. So I just got 2 wigs. I really don't even remember what company I got them from. Hopefully it's packing slip in this thing. I got a blonde wig and a black wig, and look at this, I got 2 black wigs. This is not even what I ordered, and they didn't even have the audacity to put a packing slip in here. So they just gave me whatever the heck they want to give me. So we're gonna see what this is. Hopefully it look like something. Boy, no. What is this? What is this? This is not. Look at this. Look at this part. Look at this part. Who finna wear this? This. I'm gonna move on to the next one. I got scammed because this is really pretty much the same thing, just a little bit longer. And the front pretty much looks the same. The inside looks the same. This scam. Y'all, I'm done spending my money with the companies I don't know, people I don't know, because this is pretty much like my 3rd time getting scammed. This is really trash. Like, I guess it don't stink. I'm in tears right now because this is just so funny and sad at the same time. Bruh. That was supposed to be my birthday hair. Now I don't know what I'm finna do. Okay.